Hi guys, I want to show you an application I built called Moving Target. I have friends that work in the moving industry and they spend a lot of their time um, with customers who contact them and they want an estimate and they have to um, gather key data from the customers to provide an estimate. And I thought, well, we could just automate this whole process, um, at least to the point that all the crucial data would be gathered in a way that matters for movers. So I built an application, actually two applications that would do this. And this actually acts as a plugin that sits on top of the mover's existing site. And in this case, there's not an existing site, so you can just see how it works from a blank screen. So I have my icon, I click on it, and then we have some information. So my first name, my last name, my email, okay, my phone. Now this is kind of cool. Let's say I live in I don't know, by the um, Empire State Building. Oh, okay, Empire State Boulevard. Sure, Castleton on Hudson. And I want to move to Salinas. Oh, I don't want to move to any of these places at all. Let's say I want to move to. Well, having bad luck, Google. Let's say Monterey, California. There we go. I want to move to Monterey, California. Um, I'm free to move. Well, let's pick some dates. Here we go. Let's say I'm free to move all next week. Okay. And then I'm moving from the first floor and I'm moving to the fifth floor. Yes, there's an elevator. Nope. No other details. Okay. Um, and now I'm going to add some pictures because a picture is worth 1,000 words, right? So let's add some rooms. Let's say I have only two rooms in my apartment. I have a kitchen, and then I'm going to add a couple of images for the kitchen. Let's say I'm going to use this cast iron stove I got sitting in my house, and it's actually a welded stove. Sorry about the false advertising. And I'm going to add this image of my kid on the horse. That's apparently what's going on in my kitchen. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to add another room, and the room is going to be, let's say, the living room. And I'm going to add another picture of my kid on the horse. And yeah, let's see. And my stove. Cool. Okay, great. So now I can get my estimate. Great. Let's see what the mover gets. And this is what the mover gets. They have my customer details, my phone, of course, um, the move details with the address as provided by Google, and then the range of dates that they're available to move. Um, I have two rooms. Description of my moving needs nope. I have a list of rooms. I have my pictures. Um, and so this way I can just get all the information I need. This is, of course, a clickable link so I can get the directions from Google Maps right here. It's 3,000 miles. Very nice. And that's it. There's a little bit of formatting work that needs to happen on the email itself and some internationalization. But overall, this saves the mover and the customer a lot of time and effort and makes life very easy for everybody. Now the mover can return to them. Future iterations of this, I think I'm going to use browser-side machine learning with Google's new library that runs in the browser, so that the user can go ahead and take a video of his whole apartment on his smartphone, and through item identification, we can generate a list of all of the furniture in their apartment that will go to the mover, and various other items, so the mover can show up to be maximally prepared. Great, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Baruch Kogan with Emet Development. I used in the process of making these applications. They're running on um, Node.js and Express on the back end, and Vue.js on the front end. Thank you very much for your time.